What if the secret to world peace, unity and harmony has been encapsulated in a single word, an indigenous philosophy that has been around for centuries? Welcome to the world of Ubuntu, a fascinating concept from the southern regions of Africa. To understand Ubuntu is to grasp the essence of human interconnectedness. Hailing from the Bantu languages of southern Africa, Ubuntu translates to "I am because we are." This philosophy is not just a saying, it is a way of life that underscores the belief that we exist in a bundle of life. A subtle reminder that our actions have ripple effects on the community and the world at large. In the Ubuntu worldview, there's a radical recognition of our shared humanity. It's an affirmation that your pain is my pain, your joy is my joy, and your loss is my loss. It emphasizes empathy, sharing, and mutual respect, advocating for the idea that society, not a single individual, is the true measure of our worth. Ubuntu is deeply rooted in African social life, shaping decisions, behaviors, and relationships. It's a guiding light in conflict resolution, promoting forgiveness over punishment, reconciliation over retribution. It's a call to recognize the humanity in each other, to show compassion, and to be open to each other's experiences. So what does Ubuntu look like in action? Imagine a society where everyone genuinely cares for each other, where the success of the community takes precedence over individual achievement, where empathy, mutual respect, and compassion are the norm rather than the exception. That, in essence, is Ubuntu. The philosophy of Ubuntu challenges us to question our actions, to reflect on how we treat others and how we contribute to our communities. It's a clarion call for unity, a plea for us to remember that we are bound together in this intricate web of life. To summarize, Ubuntu is the profound African philosophy that underscores the interconnectedness of all beings. It's a belief system that values empathy, mutual respect, and community over individualism. It's a call to action for us to recognize and honor our shared humanity. It's the understanding that I am because we are. Ubuntu is more than just a philosophy, it's a way of life, a path towards a more compassionate, empathetic, and united world. It's a beacon of hope in a world divided, a testament to the power of unity, and a reminder that we are indeed in this together. So the next time you find yourself in a situation where you need to make a choice, remember Ubuntu. I am because we are.